Izakhamuzi zaseSekhukhune eLimpopo ichazele Umengameli Ngobunzima ezibhekane nabo ngenxa yokuswela amanzi. Izakhamuzi zithi zize inqumo ukwathenga itolo amanzi ahlanzekile. Banxuse uhulumeni ukuba aqikelele ukuphothula komkamo wamanzi kulendawo.
Mr. President, we have 3 big dams, but our communities are buying water.
Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uSenzo Mchunu uthi lo mkamo wokufakelwa amanzi eSekhukhune uzoqala kungekudala.
The project will indeed be that long in terms of kilometers, and izafaka amanzi ku-140 communities zala eSekhukhune kanye nasemkhalakwena, and then there will be 42,000 jobs in the process.
Many parts of our country have water challenges, but now we are focusing on how to resolve that problem. Mona, you've got 3 dams. As Minister Mchunu was saying, we're doing everything we can to make sure that we get partners. And the way that these business entities have joined us is the way that we want to work going forward.
Umengameli uthembisele zakhamuzi ukuthi ikhalo zazo zosukunyelwa ngokusheshsha.